check and make sure the rotor is properly attached and spinning freely. We add the hour wheel, which comes separately. Due to the fact that our dials are of a specific thickness, we need to ensure that the hour wheel is tall enough to pass over the top of the dial so the hands don't scratch it, don't interfere with its ability to run properly. We then have to ensure the spacing is correct, so put the dial support ring on. You'll notice the dial is very large and fits perfectly into the bezel, taking up all the space underneath the crystal to allow legibility and ease of use in the field. We then add that dial support ring to keep the date wheel from scratching the other side of the dial. Put the ring on, attach the dial, tighten up the dial feet.
Putting the hands on the dial, you have to align it at midnight, right?
Okay, yeah. What this does is it ensures that every time an hour passes, the hour hand is pointing directly at the given hour, and the minute hand is pointing directly at 12 midnight. Doing so ensures that at 12 midnight, within the 5-minute window, that date will switch over exactly when it should. Not at 12:15 in the morning, not at 11:45 at night, but right at midnight.